morning, everybody, and we are back. My name is Sarah Matranga, and I am the Family and Community Health Agent with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension Service in Kaufman County. That is a mouthful. Today we are going to be doing another dinner tonight video. This is for July, and we are going to be doing a mango chicken salad. So we're going to start off with 6 cups of spinach. We are going to add about 1.5 chicken breasts. I did season this with just pepper and onion powder. You're going to put that on top. And then you're really going to make the sauce. So we're going to start off with substituting a few things because I wanted to use what we had instead of purchasing more. So we are going to use chili powder, pepper, Dijon mustard, and then some Greek non-fat plain yogurt. So first we're going to dice and peel up this mango. Once you have peeled and diced the mango, you're going to add that on top of the chicken. And then you're going to start working on your sauce. So I'm going to do 2/3 cup of the yogurt. You're going to add that into the bowl. Then you are going to get your tablespoon and you are going to do 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, and then you're going to zest it a little bit on top. I'm measuring with my can never have enough. Okay, there we go. Then we are going to do 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. You're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of the pepper, and then you're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of the chili powder. Then you're going to mix that together. That looks creamy. And then you are going to just pour it over your chicken salad. Doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, wow. Should have got a bigger bowl, but it's okay. Looks so good. This would be an excellent brunch meal or just lunch. Very light, very delicious, and flavorful. And then you're going to serve and enjoy. Oh, that's really good. Oh my gosh. And we will be back next month, August, for another Dinner Tonight video. Have a great month.